Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube pattern, cube inside cube. For solving this pattern, you have to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube 3 by 3. Okay, now if you go and watch my previous videos, I have shown you how to solve this layer 1, layer 2, and finally this whole Rubik's Cube. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description of this video so that you can go and watch that video. It's very easy, it's newbie friendly, and you guys can do it. Okay, so once you go and solve this Rubik's Cube, let's go and do the cube inside cube pattern. Okay, before that you can hold your Rubik's Cube any way you like. Okay, so let's hold it this way. Okay, blue in the front, and let's get started. Just follow along. Okay, so I'll give you the steps out here. First, this front layer. Okay, you just have to rotate it clockwise. Okay, so after that, this left layer, just go down, then again front layer once, then upper layer anti-clockwise once, right layer once, upper layer once, then again front layer 2 times. Now again left layer 2 times down, and again this up layer anti-clockwise, then again left layer once. Now comes the back layer. Okay, so back layer, you just have to hold your cube this way and just rotate it clockwise. Okay, so after that you have to go to this down layer and rotate it clockwise. Okay, so after you do that, you have to do this back layer again, but this time we are doing it back. Okay, so now to the left layer 2 times out here, and after that you just have one step left. This is this upper layer. Okay, now you can see out here. Okay, so just look at it. Okay, just look at it. Wow, it's so wonderful. You can see cube inside cube. Okay, so if you just turn it right here, you will see both sides. Okay, so you'll see a cube inside cube. Okay, so this is the pattern. It's a lovely pattern to learn when you are with your friends and your parties. Everyone is solving a Rubik's cube, and you know how to solve a cube inside a cube. It's so cool. Okay, so go and watch this video slowly so that you can go and follow along. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll come up with more awesome stuffs about Rubik's Cube in the next video. Okay, so now if you want to get a Rubik's Cube, or if you love puzzles, make sure you look at the first comment of this video. I'll leave a link where you can go and get different types of puzzles. Okay, so thank you very much for supporting me. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Thank you, and bye bye.